welcome to It's Tomorrow News. This is Chavi Sompura. Bushfire triggers evacuation warning in states west on hottest day since Black Summer in Australia. Residents in parts of Victoria's west are being urged to evacuate as an out-of-control bushfire burns in the Wimmera on what is forecast to be the hottest day in Melbourne since Black Summer. A watch and act message is in place for Chetwynd, Cadnock and Powers Creek, with Victoria Emergency advising locals to leave now as high temperatures and strong winds created an unpredictable and dangerous situation. Temperatures for some areas in Wimmera are expected to peak in mid-40s. This National Bushfire Interactive Database allows you to search active fires and conditions in every state and territory in Australia. However, do not use this information to make decisions for the preservation of property or life. Follow warnings from your local emergency services. At 1 p.m., the bushfire at Kesterton Edenhope Road was still not under control and was moving southeast towards Chetwynd. Authorities said a wind change caused the fire to change directions towards Kunwiriku. In parts of Victoria, the temperature is forecast to be 16 degrees above the December average, while Mildura is forecast to reach a scorching top of 46 degrees. Melbourne was to be blasted with northerly winds of up to 50 km per hour on Monday and is tipped to reach a top of 41 degrees, which would make it the hottest day in the city since January 2020, when the temperatures peaked at 42 degrees during the Black Summer bushfires. Closer to the city, a fire broke out at Westgate Park underneath Westgate Bridge on Monday morning, with an aerial bomber assisting fire trucks in dousing the blaze. The fire was brought under control shortly before 2 p.m. State Control Centre spokesperson said the heat combined with the strong winds prompted bushfire fears on Monday. The summer scorchers come after an early start in the fire season in Victoria, as blazes burned parts of state last month. Particularly in the west of the state, the grass has been dry for a couple of months now. An extreme fire danger rating has been issued for 6 districts: the Mallee, the Wimmera, Northern Country, North Central, Southwest and Central. A total fire ban has been declared for all those districts as well as South and West Gippsland. A burst of heat across Australia could lead to dangerous conditions over the next 48 hours, with potentially the earliest 40 degrees summer days in Adelaide and Melbourne in almost 2 decades. Adelaide reached 40 degrees on Sunday, which was 13 degrees above average, while parts of Victoria may surpass 45 degrees on Monday. That's talking bushfire fears. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.